commemorate Disaster Resilience Day and reflect on the tragic yet empowering experience of Typhoon Odette, we are reminded of the indomitable spirit of every Pinagagnon. This day is not only to remember the devastation we endured, but also to honor the lessons we have learned, the resilience we have built, and the strength that lies within each and every one of us. The theme of today's commemoration, learning from Typhoon Odette's experiences, fostering hope and tenacity, instilling a mindset of resilience and sustainability for future-proof Pinagagnon generations, speaks volumes about the resilience we have cultivated over the years, especially after Typhoon Odette struck us on December 16, 2021. Just 3 years ago, the entire province was left in shock as Super Typhoon Odette ravaged our homes, communities, and livelihoods. It was a reminder of how vulnerable we are as an island province, with our geography placing us in the direct path of powerful typhoons year after year. The winds that tore through our towns and the destruction of our vital infrastructure were harrowing. But it was our unity, our bayanihan, and our collective strength that began to rebuild our lives. In the face of adversity, we did not falter. Instead, we rose from the debris and devastation. We stood together, rebuilding our homes and communities with an unwavering resolve. But why is it so important that we look back at our experiences? Why must we learn from them? The answer is clear. Because our future depends on it. The truth is, Dinagat Islands, like many other island provinces, is constantly at risk from calamities. Typhoons, earthquakes, and other natural disasters will always be a part of our reality. But our ability to endure and to grow stronger from these experiences lies in how we learn from them. We must analyze what worked, what didn't, and what we can do to ensure we are better prepared in the future. This process of reflections allows us to improve our strategies, strengthen our communities, and ensure that our children and grandchildren will inherit a province that is both resilient and sustainable. It is in this context that we are here today to honor not just our recovery, but also our commitment to building a future-proof Pinagagnon generation. A generation that doesn't just rebuild after disaster, but one that proactively prepares, adapts, and thrives in the face of challenges. The mindset of resilience and sustainability is one that we must instill in all sectors: education, agriculture, infrastructure, and governance. It is a mindset that ensures our survival and success in the years to come. I'm also proud to announce that our efforts have not gone unnoticed. Let us also celebrate an outstanding achievement of the Provincial Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council and the Provincial Disaster Risk Reduction Management Office of Dinagat Islands, which have been officially confirmed as beyond compliant top 3 national finalists of the 2024 Rawat Kanasan Seal. At ang kasulagkaro ng Malakang. This prestigious recognition is a testament to the tireless work and dedication of our disaster management teams, and of course, together with our local leaders in implementing effective disaster preparedness and response strategies. Congratulations to everyone involved in this achievement. This is a victory for all of us. Usawa tayo na tugado, mga palakpakan, dan ang tatang palakpakan in our life. In closing, let us continue to draw strength from our shared experiences and our shared resolve. Let us commit to teaching the next generations of Dinagatnons the importance of resilience, sustainability, and hope. We must be clear in our mission to not only rebuild, but to create a province that is stronger, smarter, and more prepared for whatever challenges may come our way. Together, we are Dinagat Islands, unbreakable, united, and unstoppable. Daghang salamat, mabuhay ang Dinagat.